This demo details the step-by-step process of a budget-conscious user selecting a product, applying the best available coupon, and completing a discounted purchase in AvoGo. Begin by launching the AvoGo application in a browser and log in using your credentials. Then navigate to Shop. Browse through List and select a product. Hover on the chosen product and click Quick View to review the product details. Then click Add to Cart. Review the cart details and navigate back to the landing page to view available coupons and discount offers. For this demo, let's choose the Save 15 coupon code. Then go back to the cart and apply the coupon code. Make sure to verify that the discount is successfully applied and the order total is updated. Once done, click Proceed to Buy and verify the shipping as well as billing addresses, order summary, and updated price details. Select the preferred delivery date and time and click Create Order and continue to payment. Let's choose Use Wallet Balance as the payment method in this demo and click Pay from Wallet. Ensure you have enough wallet balance to cover the product cost. Once the order is placed successfully, click OK to continue. You can also review the order details page and reconfirm that the applied discount is reflected correctly. As a last step, navigate to your profile and sign out. Now you know how a deal seeker can apply the best available coupon and complete a discounted purchase in AvoGo.